Ow! Look at her, she's just clawing me. Jumped up here and clawing me. Why are you clawing me? Why is she clawing me? She wants that, that's why. Ow! Ooh, you're digging in now. Oh, if I set this down, you're really gonna dig in. I gotta get you loose first. Okay, there's that one. There's that one. No, now you get off. You don't climb back up. I love you so much, Emma. You're just a blast. A hoot. Is that what you want? Huh? Meow. 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 Is that what you want? Meow. Aw, there you go. You're just too cute for me to tease you too long. I love you guys. This has been another exciting episode of Emma TV. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life, and none go to the Father but by the Son. So be honest and lift one another up. Bye for now.